Bangladesh, with its rich cultural tapestry woven over centuries, has faced the lamentable loss of heritage due to various historical, social, and environmental factors. This loss is not merely a disappearance of physical artifacts, it represents a fading echo of traditions, stories, and practices that once defined the essence of the nation. One significant aspect of lost heritage in Bangladesh is the gradual disappearance of architectural marvels that once adorned the landscape. Historical structures, embodying the architectural brilliance of bygone eras, have fallen victim to neglect, urbanization, and sometimes even natural disasters. The dilapidated state of once grand palaces, temples, and historical buildings echoes a silent narrative of the cultural erosion that has taken place over time. The erosion of linguistic diversity is another poignant facet of lost heritage. Bangladesh is home to a mosaic of languages, each reflecting the unique identity of its speakers. However, with the passage of time, some indigenous languages face the risk of extinction, threatening to silence the distinct voices that have contributed to the country's linguistic richness. Traditional crafts and artisanal skills, passed down through generations, are also slipping away. The intricate artistry of handloom weaving, pottery, and traditional embroidery is gradually fading, as modernization and changing consumer preferences take precedence. The loss of these crafts not only impacts the livelihoods of artisans but also deprives the world of the beauty and cultural significance embedded in each handmade creation. Environmental degradation adds another layer to the narrative of lost heritage. Bangladesh's natural wonders, from pristine mangrove forests to serene rivers, are increasingly under threat. The Sundarbans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, faces challenges from climate change, deforestation, and industrial pollution, endangering the unique biodiversity that once thrived in this ecological haven. Efforts to preserve and revitalize lost heritage are underway, but they require collective awareness and action. Educational initiatives, cultural festivals, and heritage conservation projects play a crucial role in safeguarding what remains and revitalizing what has been lost. Documenting oral histories, preserving ancient manuscripts, and promoting sustainable practices are essential steps toward reclaiming and celebrating Bangladesh's diverse heritage. In recognizing the importance of preserving lost heritage, Bangladesh can not only reconnect with its roots but also contribute to the global mosaic of cultural diversity. The restoration of heritage is a collective responsibility, requiring collaboration between communities, governments, and organizations to ensure that the rich tapestry of Bangladesh's cultural legacy continues to flourish for generations to come.